In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $15 to $22 per hour transcribing for people. It's coming up right now. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, right up there, I make content on how to make money online every single week. You got make money selling YouTube thumbnails, Facebook Marketplace boost, a decade in a day challenges, multiple different ways where you can earn money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by transcribing for people. But first, make sure you stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you a special bonus, my #1 recommendation, how you can grow to a full-time income online and actually transition to any niche. Before we do that, make sure you grab the subscribe button so you never miss a video, any opportunity that's coming up. What we're gonna do right now is we're going to go to this website, Transcribe Me. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's highly rated customer satisfaction. It's been a great experience working with Transcribe Me. Their transcription is the best quality for the cheapest price. They work with us and create a business rate and quality. I'm a terrible reader. Angela Cruz. All right, choose a service. What they do is they let you, they'll transcribe for you. They'll transcribe in multiple languages let's see, 79 cents per minute. And they can also translate into 11 different languages. I'll give you a tip on how you can do that coming up. Data annotation, speech recognition. These are the multiple things that they offer. And you can trust this because it's easy to use, secured, confidential, and highly accurate. In some of the businesses that they work with, you may have heard of Harvard University, Salesforce, Facebook. That's a big one. I have a lot of videos on Facebook stuff if you want to check it out. What I'm going to show you now is how you can sign up. The upper right corner, click Join as Transcriptionist. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Join our team. Look at this top rated stuff. Penny Hoarder has rated them and is recommended by them. Women's Day, the Christian Science Monitor, Money Saving Mom, badcredit.org, all places that recommend Transcribe Me. It may be available in your area, it may not be available in your area. If you have any concerns, if you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button and leave a comment below what country you're from so I can make more content that'll help you make money online. Back to the video. What we have to offer, we pay more than anyone. We have an industry, the industry's best rates, starting at $15 to $22 an hour per audio hour. Top earners earn $2,200 a month. The average monthly earning is about $250. So it depends on how much work you get. There's trainings in here and you really want to get good ratings and put the effort in so you can get more work. Take what comes. So there's growth and learning opportunities that they provide within. There's no experience necessary or upfront cost. It doesn't cost you any money. As long as you have a computer that you can type on, you're good to go. And then it also gives you the flexibility and freedom that you need. You kind of work when you want to work. And here's their payment plan. If they pay through PayPal on a weekly basis, you don't have to really worry about that. If you don't have a PayPal account, that's easy. Just go to paypal.com. Click here, sign up for free. Set up a personal or business account. Enter your mobile number in and the language that you're going to use and just enter in your information there and you're all set up with PayPal. Now to join, click sign up as transcriptionist and you're ready to go. Now for multiple languages, this is simple. Whatever you're transcribing, let's say I want to take this whole thing here, transcribe it, I copy it, go to translate transcription.com. Let's say I wanted to take that and translate it to Spanish. Paste that in there, translates it, and there you go. You can now translate into multiple languages. Just click this button here into any language you want. If I want to translate it to Japanese, do that, and it changes everything for me. So now you've increased the opportunities that you have just by having this one little hack. Now let me tell you about that bonus. So it reminds me, now I've tried a lot of these things and a lot of them are trading time for money, and I realized that I needed new skills to actually be able to create something that would work for me when I was doing other things. So what I did was I invested in training and I joined a group of over 20,000 entrepreneurs that are like-minded, that share their thoughts and strategies and what they're doing to make money online, to help each other grow in this community and become better servants of the world and outside of their community. So what you can do to get into this is go down in the description below, click the link below, you'll land on this page. It's for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. You're gonna learn high ticket skills, how to set up landing pages, how to learn copywriting, email marketing, and set up a system that you can essentially click a button and it goes to work while you're working on other things. You'll learn how to set up ads, how to get that stuff going while you go handle the rest of your life. So check out the free video on how to get started down in the description below. What you can do now, if you want more ways to make money online, click on the video on the screen, check out one of these playlists to help you get started. See you in the next video.